pieces of takoyaki. I will cook a lot during my day off. Then, ayun, pang snacks nila. Good for 1 month. Snacks ng aking mga kiddos. So, I will put into freezer para anytime pag uwi galing sa school, mayroong makakain. No need to buy bread. Bread now is very expensive. That's why I always prepare takoyaki only. Thank you. Hello sa ating 5 viewers. Don't forget to thumbs up and kindly comment. Hello, greetings from Japan. This is actual live, guys, not pre-recorded video. So if you have a channel, you can comment and you can. Let's put. Ooh. Start cooking na po tayo, guys, after preparing all ingredients that we need. Feel free to comment lang po, guys, sa mga may channel dyan. Huwag po tayong mahiya mag-comment. At wala naman pong bayad. It's free. Then, let's put every whole with 1 octopus. First, we cook octopus. And next batch is cheese. Daldal pa more. Daldalera. Kasi pag hindi ka magdaldal, boring naman, di ba? Diba? Ay, huwag kang mapaw. Diba, meron naman siyang plate. Yun. Pag masyadong malaki ay hindi rin pwede, no? So, I think every whole had octopus. Okay? Then, leave it a little bit before you turning into ano ba ito? Look, parang hirap ito. Ano ba yan? Yan. Luto na yung ibang part no? Kasi yung ibang part hilaw pa rin kasi ayaw umikot. Mayonnaise. Plain mayonnaise. Japanese plain mayonnaise. And takoyaki sauce. Takoyaki sauce is very delicious, guys. And this one is made for takoyaki only. Okay? Ito, Nancy Aris OFW. Salamat sa patamsak, sis. Nancy Aris OFW. Thank you so much sa pa-BG-BG. At kahit ikaw ay busy, pasensya na, hindi ako makapag-comment ha. Kahit ikaw ay busy sa trabaho mo, ay dumaan ka talaga sa akin. Nancy Aris OFW. Mamaya mag-comment ako, sis, if you don't, alam ko kasi, naka-silent ka lang lagi dahil sa iyong trabaho. So, mamaya mag-comment ako after this one, no? Thank you so much, Nancy. Ano to? Gahugas ko pinggan. Ako naman, sis, kumakain. Kumakain ako, sis, habang nagluluto. At ako nagutom baga. Wala akong breakfast. Pag, talaga, Saturday, hindi ako